Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to fix or how to manage the business profile on your account on Alibaba easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go to your profile as you see, and next go up here on the profile section, and as you see here you will find business information. So here you will find the business type and the business name and the business address. So click edit. Now as you see here you can choose the business type, for example online retailer, uh, complete profile, uh, online retailer, so the store name, the store link, and after this click save, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.